Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make easy and oh so delicious French toast casserole. French toast casserole is perfect for your next brunch or breakfast gathering. I make this every time my in-laws come and visit for the holidays, and they always look forward to it. It's also unbelievably easy, so let's get started. Begin by combining 1.5 cups of milk with 4 eggs. Mix until well combined. This is going to be our batter for our French toast. In another bowl, combine 1.5 sticks of melted butter with 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix until well combined. Pour the mixture onto the bottom of a 9 by 10 inch baking dish. Kind of spread it around so that the bottom is completely covered. This is everyone's favorite part of the French toast. I mean, it's butter and sugar. Now we're going to be using a 20-ounce loaf of thick sliced white bread. I usually use artisanal bread. The bread is slightly thicker than regular sliced white bread. Go ahead and place the slices on top of the butter sugar mixture. You're going to have to cut a couple pieces to make it fit, kind of like that game, Tetris. Or is that past your time? I don't know, I'm getting old. I have no idea what kids are playing these days. I think another mom told me about something called Roblox. Anyways, back to the French toast. You'll be using the entire loaf, excluding the ends. Pour over half of the milk and egg batter. Sprinkle over some ground cinnamon. No measuring here, just kind of eyeball it. Now we're going to repeat exactly what we just did. The reason why I love this dish so much is not only that it tastes amazing, but if you're having company over, you can prep this the night before, and in the morning just pop it in the oven, and then I could just focus on maybe making some scrambled eggs and bacon, and there you go, breakfast is served. So much easier than making individual French toast over the stove. And the best part, everyone will love it. I know my family does. It's kind of like having dessert for breakfast. And go ahead and sprinkle more of that cinnamon, and that's it. Our prep work is now done. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil. Let it set in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the foil and bake for another 15 minutes uncovered. All right, our French toast has finished baking. This part is completely optional. Just because I have some, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle over some powdered sugar. Doesn't that look so good? This is also really great for Christmas morning with your family. Your kids will be really happy to wake up to this. I'm going to give this a light drizzle of maple syrup. You could also add some fresh berries to this, but I like this as is. I'm going in for a bite. That bottom part with the brown sugar and butter, so good. Don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.